Okay. Big breath in. One more. There it goes. You okay? You hear a crack?
I didn't hear, but it's good.
Okay.
That's good.
Good. So lie on your back. It's hard to hear over your scream. Don't hold on to the table. There. You must have heard those cracks. Don't hold on the table. Good. All right. Good. So now turn this way. I'm going to bring your hip down. Let it roll. Roll, 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 roll. Do you feel it rolling?
Oh.
Good. Let it roll. Good. Okay. You still okay? You with us? Good. Now I'm going to have you sit up and face them, okay? Let the legs come around this way. Okay. Good. I'm going to come under your head here. Let it tilt. Big breath in. And blow it out. Big breath in. And blow it out. Got it.
Again?
Well, how was that first one?
It was okay.
Are you sure? Did it scare you?
No, it was okay.
Did it feel good, or you're not sure?
It was good. It was okay. It's good.
Then why would you say, again? Yes, again. We're doing another one. I'll do it a little different because I'm going to scoop it this time.
Ooh, wow. Nice.
Let this come up towards your face a little bit, like bend it up. There you go. And then let it go soft for a second. There it goes. You hear a crack? Yeah, you heard it over there. Okay, so next, I'm going to have you lie on your side facing your son, okay?
Okay, 1 minute.
That part's done. So you're going to pull this up like this. Carefully bring it back behind there. You're going to pull this way.
Don't tense up.
Okay, okay.
Easy for him to say, right?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Good. So now come to the other side. Good. So now lie on your back. And you can leave your legs bent like that. That's fine. Nice.
Wow.
Let's do another one.
That was good. That was
That
good.
was good, right?
Whew.
Drop this.
Oh, I'm gonna breathe. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay.
Drop here.
Ooh, boy. Oh, oh.
And just pull higher up now. There we go. And now lie on your belly.
Feel like a piece of pancake.
You are a piece of pancake.
Flip me over.
Scoot down a little bit. We need a huge spatula. You are done.
Oh, gosh.
Let's get you standing and walking now.
It does feel a lot better. Yeah, it does. It does. Thank you.
You doing okay?
Yes, it does feel a lot.
In what way? In what way? Turn this way.
I feel like I'm coming back to how I'm supposed to be. It feels good.
Good.
I mean, I need a little more work. I could feel the little.
Yeah, but we're getting there, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Are you happy about that?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, it's gone. Like it hurts right now, but it feels so good. Thank you, Jesus. Can I hug you? I prayed for so long to get a new body, and I feel like I got that new body today. No pain. You got it all out. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm gonna be adjusting this first. And we're gonna push in here, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm just gonna let you relax. So take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Let that go all the way. Good. So let's go right in here. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. That's it. Good. So we're not looking for the pops even though we got one. There it is. Now lift this one back up again. That's easier. Do the other side. How do you feel?
Better.
That's better. That's easier, right? Do you feel that pain in here?
But just a tiny bit.
Just a
but
tiny.
It's much better.
Not like it was before, right? That's good. That's it. So we have to push in here. Good. Push the air out here. Good. Here.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Relief.
Relief?
Thank you.
There you go. So you can kind of feel that tension, right? So I want you to let your stomach relax. Good. That's it.
It feels good right in here. I felt it right there. That was good. I've been waiting for that for a long time.
You ready? All right, so I'm gonna be pushing in.
Okay.
I just want you to hold. I'm just letting you go and exhale out. We're just making sure we got everything. That was good. That was tough, I know. I could feel it. It wasn't like a pop, but it was a release.
I felt that in my lungs. Okay, I'm good.
You're good now.
Okay, please don't fall.
So I want you to turn as much as you can, just like this. This one, you just have to relax as much as possible, okay? We're opening up this occipital area. This is this area, right? You get that stabbing like a spear is what you said. That's yeah. So give me your head. You're doing good. Okay? What are you feeling?
Like I want to throw up. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna turn this way.
Okay.
But you're gonna be okay. That's tight. Let your shoulder just relax. Relax that more. You okay? Nice and quick.
It's gone.
What's gone?
That pain.
The spear pain?
Can I hug you?
You can hug me. It's alright.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Gosh, I know it for so long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
More control. Good. Keep that shoulder down.
Yes! Oh my god. Yes. Why are you so calm? Whoa. What the fuck?
We're getting right into this lower junction here. So take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good, let your shoulders relax. That's perfect. Good.
Ow. What was that?
It was just the bones popping in through here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just how does it feel right now?
It's good.
It's good. So hold right here. Okay, we're gonna be doing this side. Kind of like we did with him. You alright?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. We're gonna push right here.
I'm scared.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so take a deep breath in and let your air out. Good, let your shoulders roll over more. That's it. So don't it's already moving. Alright, close your eyes. Good.
Oh my god. Why are you so calm? I was like, oh, okay. He's rocking me.
So we gotta see how much flexibility you have, which is a lot. Good. So actually I'm gonna do this. Let me see your hands. Put your thumb right there, put that thumb right there, and then just relax there. I'm gonna have you kick off the leg. Down, that's it. Good, you all right? So we gotta open this up a little bit more. Good.
Open this
No, I'm gonna open it up.
Oh.
Yep. I just have to let that hang down. That's good. So I want you to take a deep breath in, exhale out. Good, relax your stomach a little bit more, and then close your eyes there, here.
Yes. I love that one.
That's it. You're gonna let your leg hang off. Just like that again. Good. So look that. Keep your eyes closed.
Yes. I love that one. Oh my god, I'm like sweaty.
Keep your eyes closed though. Just.
Every time you tell me to close
I know you think I'm gonna do that, right?
every time I'm like, oh my gosh, it's coming.
It's coming.
Where's the suspense music?
They're just gonna turn your head. There you go. Try to relax this trap.
Oh my god. I knew it was coming. Every time you tell me to close my eyes, I'm like, it's coming.
Those new shoes, Jordan? I like them. You just gotta let your body relax.
I'm trying.
Try to just like sink into the table
Okay.
almost.
I'm gonna meditate.
Like you just ate a weed gummy or something.
Weed gummy.
Good. Let your neck go a little bit more. That's it. Yeah, try to picture your chest expanding and your neck expanding a little bit. And then when you can do that, you feel like you're relaxing.
Whoa. What the fuck? Oh my.
Alright, so just give me full control of your head. Good, let this dry. Give me more. That's
More control?
well, I mean, like, just give me more control. Good, keep that shoulder down.
Ow! It didn't feel like he's gonna like snap my neck. It's like, just give me full control.
Good. Good. You're all set. Done.